Okay, so it's pretty late. It's about 1:30, and Rose and Jay are about to watch Two Girls, One Finger for the first time. And Bruce has already seen it. He saw it today.
I've seen it, dude. It's
and
fun.
you're all into it. And you
No.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, go.
TwoGirlsOneFinger.com, motherfuckers.
Okay.
She's throwing up. Like, that's not real. That's disgusting. How is that attractive?
Oh!
Like, how is that attractive?
in her
Yeah, how is that attractive? Don't fucking throw up. That's corrupt. Like, how is that even, like, attractive? Like, I'm not
Oh, dude. Dude, that's a steamer.
I'm not. I stop at the
What
puke.
happened?
She did a Cleveland steamer in her mouth.
What's that?
If you just puked off the puke and you do not want to see.
I'm gonna die. And Rucker's eating my hair.
Oh!
Would you stop and be stupid? You puke on my couch. No, you didn't. No, she. Oh my god. No, she just didn't.
Yeah, she did. She did.
Yo, I can't have sex for about a week.
Oh no, she didn't.
I like
Can you please turn it off? Stop. You do not want to see it. It's about to be on the screen. You
That's
really
disgusting.
Don't. You don't want to see that. Would you stop?
Stop
and
it!
turn off?
If you don't want to see it, then don't look. I gotta see this shit.
I already watched it. Stop, because you're puking. That's disgusting, Jay. Cut it out.
I'm gonna fucking throw up. I can't watch that shit. I cannot watch that shit.
No, the best one is this one, dude.
No, dude, let's watch the boring.
One more.
No, man.
One more. No, watch.